At this point, I have developed my table of pond options based on my inputs. In this example, I am presented with pages of options which can be a bit overwhelming. However, Pond Builder has some easy-to-use sorting and filtering options. Pond Builder starts generating pond options at minimum pool size and generate options for every half-foot increment of depth until reaching the maximum pool size. In this case, NRCS standards and specifications require a minimum pool size that will store 35 years of sediment storage. The multiple options are obtained from the combination of fill heights, pipe types, pipe sizes, and auxiliary spillway widths and depths. With all these options, how do I start? Well, first, I can look at sorting options. I can sort each column in the table. For instance, if I click at the top of the column labeled Permanent Pool Surface Area, I can sort the ponds from smallest pool to largest pool. If I click again, the table will sort from the largest to the smallest. I can use a sort function on any column. Another option available is filtering. In the heading of each column, there is an icon that looks like a funnel. I can reduce the number of options I am viewing by using this filter. For instance, if I want to look at all those options that only have a maximum pool depth between 9 and 12 feet, I can filter for that specific range. I can use this filtering feature for multiple columns. For instance, I can filter a specific range of maximum pool depth and the combination of a 10-inch diameter pipe. I can always get all my possible options back by simply clicking on the Reset All Filters icon. Another filtering option is the Limit Options to Least Cost for each half-foot elevation. This filtering option gives me the least expensive pond for each 1/2 foot of elevation of pool depth. Because of space, I have immediate access to only 10 columns of information. I can view more columns of information by clicking on the plus icon in the far upper right-hand corner of the results table, and I get a menu of additional parameters I can view, sort, and filter by. Depending on my objective, some of these parameters can be very valuable in selecting the right pond size.